During the Georgia trial, Terrence Bradley, a key witness for Donald Trump's legal team, was unable to provide substantive answers about the alleged relationship between Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis and Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade. Bradley had previously suggested that Willis and Wade began dating in 2019, but during questioning, he struggled to recall details and admitted to speculating about their relationship. Ashley Merchant, one of the lawyers, had multiple text messages from Bradley indicating the relationship started in 2019. However, during his testimony, Bradley repeatedly said he couldn't remember key details and claimed he was only speculating about the timeline of their relationship.
Good afternoon, Mr. Bradley.
Good afternoon.
Good to see you. Sorry, under these circumstances. I'm going to just go straight to where we left off before. Fani Willis and Nathan Wade were in a romantic relationship, correct?
Correct.
And it began at the time that they were both municipal court judges, correct?
Objection, Your Honor, it's based on privilege. That was covered in the attorney.
Okay, overruled.
I do not have knowledge of it starting or when it started.
Terrence, you told me that it started when they were both municipal court judges, though, correct?
That is incorrect.
You never confirmed in writing that it was instead of magistrate court, it was in municipal court when they started dating?
If you're speaking of the text message, you can go to that text message and you can read that text message and I will explain the text message to you. But you and I did not have a conversation about when it started. You asked a compound question of magistrate court versus, you said it was magistrate court, you said magistrate court conference, I'm sorry. And then you asked another question. I said no.
When you told me that it started when she left the DA's office and was a judge in South Fulton, where did you gain that knowledge from?
Well, I'm going to object because his testimony a few minutes ago that he did not recall making that statement.
I'll overrule that. Mr. Bradley, answer the question if you can.
Repeat the question.
When you told me that their relationship started when she left the DA's office and was a judge in South Fulton, where did you obtain that knowledge from?
I was speculating. I didn't have a, no one told me I was speculating.
No one told you that?
And again, object to asked and answered. He's testified that
He hasn't answered. We haven't heard an answer.
He testified he had one conversation with Mr. Wade in the back of his law
Judge,
office.
No, and his answer may change. So overruled.
Off as to how to answer the question.
I can't recall what the conversation was. I do recall knowing that that he would go down to the office or had been down to the office, but I can't tell you in what capacity or when or any of that. No.
Mr. Wade told you that they had sex at that office, though, correct?
I don't recall him stating that. No.
You don't recall?
No.
So it's possible he did say that. You just don't remember one way or another?
I do not remember him saying that.
Do you recall that he had a garage door opener to either a house or a condo or something like that of Miss Willis's?
I've never seen a garage door opener. I've never been to Miss Willis's house. I've never been to, and I'm trying to explain, I've never been. So no, I do not have any personal knowledge of him.
When Merchant asked about specific details he had previously shared, Bradley often responded with, "I don't recall." This led the presiding judge to advise Merchant to move on as the questioning wasn't yielding any useful information. Willis has denied any improper relationship and insists that any trips taken together were paid for individually. She has emphasized that the trial focuses on election interference rather than personal relationships. If Willis were to be removed from the case, it would have significant implications for the ongoing trials against Trump, potentially delaying proceedings. Trump's legal team claims Willis and Wade had an improper, intimate personal relationship and accuses them of billing Willis's office for extravagant vacations. Willis has refuted these allegations, stating the relationship began in 2022 after Willis joined the case.